Have you ever felt like your days are rushing by in a blur, leaving you feeling tired, disconnected, or perhaps just overwhelmed? What if you could pause, breathe, and truly experience the present moment? Welcome to the world of mindfulness, a simple practice with the power to transform your everyday life. In our busy lives, we often find ourselves lost in endless to-do lists and future worries. But imagine if you could find a space of calm within the chaos. That's what mindfulness offers. Today, we are going back to the basics of mindfulness, exploring what it is, why it matters, and how you can easily integrate it into your daily routine. Whether you are completely new to this concept or just looking to deepen your practice, stay tuned as we unlock the secrets to a more aware and fulfilling life. At its core, mindfulness is about being fully present in the moment. It's a practice rooted in ancient traditions, primarily derived from Buddhist meditation. Yet, it's perfectly suited for the modern, secular world as well. Mindfulness involves paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and the surrounding environment through a gentle and nurturing lens. Over thousands of years, mindfulness has evolved, but its essence remains the same, a conscious effort to be aware without judgment. While the term mindfulness has gained popularity recently, the practice itself is timeless, crossing cultural and historical boundaries. Why practice mindfulness? The benefits are profound and well documented. Regular mindfulness practice can reduce stress, enhance emotional resilience, and improve concentration. It can also help with reducing anxiety, depression, and symptoms of PTSD. Furthermore, mindfulness can improve physical health by lowering blood pressure, reducing chronic pain, and enhancing sleep. On a personal level, it can deepen your relationships with others and increase your overall sense of well-being. Imagine experiencing less stress and more joy every day. That's not just an ideal, it's achievable with mindfulness. And the beauty of it, anyone can practice it anytime, anywhere. Mindfulness is built on a few simple principles that anyone can learn and apply. Let's explore these foundational ideas. First, present moment awareness. This is the essence of mindfulness. It involves focusing your attention on what is happening right now without drifting into thoughts about the past or future. It's about experiencing this moment without distraction. Second, non-judgment. When practicing mindfulness, you observe your thoughts and feelings from a distance, without labeling them as good or bad. This doesn't mean you don't make judgment, it means you observe your natural tendency to judge and simply acknowledge it without engagement. Third, acceptance. This means seeing things as they are in the present moment, including yourself. Acceptance isn't about resignation or giving up, but rather acknowledging reality as it is, which is the first step to making thoughtful changes in life. And lastly, compassion. Mindfulness involves a kind and compassionate attitude towards yourself and others. It encourages a gentleness in how you deal with your thoughts and emotions. To put this into practice, let's try a simple mindfulness exercise together. We will do a 1-minute mindful breathing session. Wherever you are, take a moment to sit comfortably, close your eyes if you can, and focus entirely on your breath. Notice the air entering and leaving your body, the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen without trying to change or regulate your breathing. Just observe. Begin now. And gently open your eyes if they were closed. How do you feel? This simple practice is a fundamental exercise in mindfulness. Practicing these principles regularly can transform how you experience life. It's about taking control of your focus and, by extension, taking control of your life. Mindfulness isn't just for meditation cushions. It's a versatile practice that can be woven into the fabric of our daily lives. Here are simple ways to make every day more mindful no matter where you are or what you are doing. Start by focusing on your meals. Turn off the TV and put away your phone. Notice the colors, smells, textures, and flavors of your food. Eat slowly and listen to your body's hunger cues. This not only enhances your dining experience, but can also improve digestion and satisfaction with meals. Whether you are walking to your car or taking a leisurely stroll, focus on the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the rhythm of your steps, and the sounds around you. This practice can turn a routine walk into a refreshing mental reset. When speaking with someone, really listen. Focus on their words, tone, and body language. Resist the urge to think about your response while they are speaking. This not only makes you a better listener, but also deepens your connections with others. Integrate mindfulness into your work routine. Take short breaks to breathe deeply or stretch. Before starting a new task, pause a moment to clear your mind. This can help reduce stress and increase productivity and creativity. End your day with a mindfulness check-in. Reflect on what went well, acknowledge what didn't, and set intentions for the next day. This helps you close your day peacefully and prepare mentally for tomorrow. To support your mindfulness journey, consider using resources like mindfulness apps and websites. Apps like Headspace, Calm, and Insight Timer offer guided sessions that cater to both beginners and advanced practitioners. Websites like mindful.org provide valuable articles, tips, and courses on mindfulness. Remember, the goal of mindfulness is not to perfect your technique, but to deepen your connection with the present moment, enriching your life. Try incorporating one or two of these practices into your routine this week and notice the change in how you feel and interact with the world around you. It's about small steps leading to big changes. As we conclude our journey into the basics of mindfulness today, we've explored the essence of being fully present in the moment, the profound benefits for both mind and body, and simple yet powerful practices to integrate mindfulness into your daily life, from mindful eating and walking to listening and reflecting. Remember, the path to mindfulness doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start with small steps like a minute of focused breathing or being fully present during a meal. As you become more comfortable, gradually expand your practice. Every moment of mindfulness adds up to a more peaceful and centered life. Share your thoughts, experiences, or any questions in the comments below. We are here to support each other on this path to greater awareness and tranquility. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Kay's Calm Kit for more insights and tips on living a more mindful and serene life. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications from our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and remember to take a moment today to just breathe and be. Until next time, stay mindful and stay peaceful. Much love.